Hello, I'm David Blum.
And I'm Jeremy Blum, and today we're going to be doing a joint review of the HP MediaSmart server EX487. Here's the retail package for the HP MediaSmart server. On the front of the box you can see a picture of the device as well as some of the key specifications. The top and sides of the retail box feature more specific information about the features of the device, specifically what's included, and a brief overview of the Windows Homeserver software interface.
The contents of the box include the server, various software, a power cable, a Cat5e Ethernet cable, a quick start guide, and warranty information.
The HP EX Homeserver series include two models, a 750GB model and a 1.5TB model. The first one includes one 750GB hard drive, the second one includes two. Today we'll be reviewing the 1.5TB model. The server utilizes an Intel Celeron processor operating at 2 GHz as well as 2 GB of RAM. This is a significant upgrade from the first version of these servers, which used 512 MB of RAM, and allows for significantly faster access times and utilization.
This server is made mostly of plastic with a few metal accents and is in a black finish. The door at the front of the chassis is made of mesh to allow air to flow through the components. It has the HP logo at the front along with 4 hard drive activity LEDs to show the activity of each hard drive. It also swings open on the right side with a magnet. When the door is open, it reveals the 4 hard drive bays along with a mesh area at the bottom for air to flow through. To remove the hard drive cages, simply push down on the red tab and pull the hard drive out. This particular model comes with two 750GB Seagate Barracuda 7200 RPM hard drives with 32 MB of cache installed in the bottom 2 drive bays. The top 2 bays are left empty for expansion. This particular model can handle up to 9 TB of storage. On the front of the case, there's one external USB port. The back of the server includes 2 exhaust fans behind the hard drives, a power button, a gigabit Ethernet port, an eSATA port, 3 USB 2.0 ports, a power port, and a locking port. After turning on the unit, you can see 3 LEDs at the bottom: power, gigabit LAN, and overall health of the unit. Once the server is completely powered up, you will see hard drive LEDs on the front of the door which indicate if your hard drives are working properly.
To configure your server for the first time, you'll need to take the software installation disk provided by HP and put it in any of your Mac or PC computers attached to the same network as your server. This will configure the server for the first time and set up your computer to perform automatic backups, as well as to aggregate media. The client software for PCs attached to your home server's network is called Windows Homeserver Connector Software. It allows you to set options such as whether you want your computer to wake up to do backups, if you want updates to be performed on the server automatically. It's all very straightforward and easy for the layperson to understand. This has to be installed on each of the computers that you want to have access to the server. The first time you install the Windows Homeserver Connector software, it will run through the setup where it initializes your home server and allows you to enter all of the specific options that you would like to set when using the server. This includes the password to access it, how you would like computers to back up, etc. This is the Windows Home Server Administration panel. In addition to the standard options that come pre-configured on a Windows Home Server Administration panel, HP has added a few things of their own. The Administration panel allows you access to all the functions of the device, and chances are once you get this server set up and working the way you want it to, you'll probably set it and forget it and not really spend too much time here. The control panel gives you information about the server's current health, including your entire network's health. It monitors attached computers to ensure they have the latest updates and that firewalls are enabled, etc. It allows you to remote access into your network from outside your house or wherever you are. Some of the HP things include a photo publisher that allows you to aggregate all the photos onto your server and then access them remotely from anywhere. They have a neat online photo gallery that allows you to view them. Another thing added by HP is tighter integration for Macintosh computers, which is not included by Windows Home Server by default. There's also an online server backup option in case you want to have a copy of your server off-site in case there's some kind of physical damage to the server. Another Mac feature added by HP to Windows Home Server is the ability to stream from iTunes and stream to iTunes. One of the coolest things that HP offers with their Home Server connector is an HP Media Collector, which actually connects to all the computers on the network and pulls whatever media files you specify and stores them on the server. This allows you to gain access to them if the computers are off, to stream them to something like an Xbox or Media Center extender. The new version of the HP software will even convert your videos into an iPod viewable format so you can access them remotely from an iPod or a PSP or any portable device like that. One of the most compelling features about Windows Home Server is its robust backup solutions. Not only will it back up every computer in your network, but it actually takes images of the hard drive. Should your computer fail, the Home Server comes with a disk that you can put into your computer. The disk basically connects the computer to the Home Server and pulls off the most recent image of the working computer so that you can restore from that. This is great if your hard drive fails or something like that. What's also unique about Windows Backup Solution is if you have more than one hard drive in the server, without having any kind of specific hardware RAID installed, you can tell it to mirror certain data. So if, for example, you have your documents backed up onto there, and you want to make sure that no matter what, even if a hard drive fails in the Home Server, that they remain safe, you can tell it just to keep a copy of that folder on the other physical hard drive. However, to make it easier for the user, you only actually see one gigantic hard drive that's the combined size of all the hard drives on the system. The Windows Home Server software allows you to set up several user accounts, including a guest account for people who may come into your network and want to gain access to your shared files. These accounts are also what is used to gain access to the server remotely. The last two tabs in the Windows Home Server console allow you to check out your shared folders, browse through all the data you have on there, determine if you want it to be duplicated onto multiple hard drives or not, and it also allows you to look at the server storage where you can identify individual hard drives and see what percentage of your hard drive space is being used and for what. Logging into your server remotely gives you access to many of the things that you have access to on your local network. HP includes some special functions, including a special HP Start page, which gives you access to the HP features that were added to the Windows Home Server software. This includes remote access to computers on the network, the ability to view photos you have stored, and a very unique ability to stream media directly to your local machine from wherever your home server is anywhere in the world. It brings up a very nice interface that gives you access to all of your photos, video, and music, and will encode them and convert them on the fly so that you can watch them.
The HP MediaSmart server is terrific for home applications. It includes large storage capacity, small form factor, great connectivity, and support for Macs. It already uses the Windows Home Server platform, which is stable in and of itself. HP also added on media aspects, which are terrific. The one issue that we had with this is that it took a little while to go through the installation process and eventually failed. Otherwise, we gave this product a 4.5 out of 5 stars.
I love peeling this thing so. Hi, I'm Jeremy.
Wait, hold on.
What?
The contents of the blocks.
Little blocks. Shut up.
Raccoons.
What?
Overall, this server... Jared. Hello, I'm David Blum.
And I'm Jeremy Blum. And today we're going to be doing a joint review of the HP MediaSmart Server 487. Oh shit, it's the EX487.
Did you seriously just do that?
Uh-huh, I did.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're good. Alright, go. Meow, 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 meow. Can you please stop wasting my film?